Hey everyone, it's Donna. I am your 66-year-old wantable unboxing person. So today let's do another unboxing. I asked the stylist this time to send me some things to transition into spring. I selected a few things and she sent me a few things. So let's see what's in this bundle. Hang on, let's get a close-up. Hang on. We're going to do things a little different today. I'm going to show you the list of items and then do a try on. Make it short and sweet. So here's what we have. 2 pairs of shorts. I think there's 3 little jackets, a white shirt and some jeans, a crossbody bag, and a constellation necklace. Wow. Drum roll, $726.90 if I keep it all. So here we go. Let's start the try on. These jeans are funny. When I saw them to select them to try them on, the photograph had the model must have been 5'10", because when I put these on, I'm 5'5". If you are a super tall woman, you might want to buy these because in the photograph, they are coming up to about, actually this on her, and they didn't look as wide. And so, no, this one isn't going to work. But that's the great thing about Wantable, because you can try different things in the privacy of your own home and have a good laugh sometimes. Hang on. Okay, I've got the white blouse on and the blue shorts. And I think these are actually on sale for, I think about $40, something like that. And I do like them. The inseam, I think, is about 3 inches. It may be close 3.5. So I do like these shorts. I'll just have to go home and see if I have anything like it. But this would make a cute spring outfit right here. Put on some jewelry. I've got on the coin necklace and the beaten gold and some bracelets, and dress it up a little bit. Throw on some Mary Janes or a pair of sandals, dressy sandals, and you've got an outfit for the day. Hang on. Okay, I put on the reef-tied hoodie because I probably would wear this hoodie with shorts in the summer. You can see the hood in the back. It has 2 pockets in the front. $89. I don't know. I mean, I could probably find this at TJ Maxx for a quarter of the price. It's comfortable. If it's an off-white, it is not white. You can see the contrast with this white shirt I have on. So I'm not sure. It's cute, but do I need it? No. Hang on, we've got a couple more jackets. I'm going to try them on. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, I put on the Verizon Mixed Media jacket. And I like that look, but I don't know if I like this jacket. I think it's a little tight. I know that after you wear something for a while, it will loosen up, but I'm not loving it enough for $149. So this is probably going to be a zilch on this one. I've got a lot of jackets, and it has this puffer look in the front, and I'm over puffer. So hang on. Well, I like these shorts. Articles of Society, I like your shorts. They are a little bit, they've got a lot of give in them, number one. They're comfortable. They have a wider leg at the bottom. I like this. Some pockets here, some pockets here. I think these are going to be mine. So Hang on. I want to show you the crossbody purse. I want to take a look at that. Snap, I'm back. I've got on the little crossbody bag, and I like it. I like the color. I can mix it with different colors. I don't think that'll be a problem. It'll be fun when I'm using it to go shopping. I can keep everything close to me. This is mine. That and that little necklace, they are mine. And I do believe I'm going to get these shorts. We've got one more, that little jacket with the fishnet look to it. So let me try it on. And I'm sorry I have to wear everything with a white shirt, but I'm at a friend's house and I'm using it to videotape. It's their, I guess their summer cottage. I don't know what you would call it, but they're kind enough to let me use it. So hang on, I've got something else to show you. The last item is the little jacket with the large holes in it. You can take a look at it. It's okay. I've got a black one sort of like this that I love. This one just feels a little bulky. It's cute, but I just don't see myself reaching for it. And if I don't reach for it in my closet, then I don't want it. So I guess what I'm going to do now is maybe sit and decide what I am going to keep. I hope that you will check out some of my other videos. I hope you will please subscribe, and I hope we will see you soon. Bye-bye. Everybody have a great week. Bye-bye.